How to share Facebook post on Instagram after posting. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. First of all, make sure that your Facebook application is the latest and updated version. So let's go to the Facebook, and as you can see, the app is updated to its latest version on my device. So I'm going to tap and open and it will lead me to the home page. Now make sure that you are logged into your account. After that, tap on your profile at the top right corner, then scroll down, or you can just go to your profile page. So scroll down and you can see the post. Okay, so here you can see that I've already created a post on Facebook and I've posted it. Now to post on Instagram, what I can do is tap on the three dotted lines over here, and here you can see the option of edit the privacy, and you can see that only public, friends and friends accept are the options that we have. Next, what you can do is you can just tap on the three dotted lines and you can tap on copy link, but we don't want the link. So what we're going to do is we can just tap on the share icon at the bottom of the post, and here you'll be able to see different options of message, text, WhatsApp, copy the link, and Instagram. Now as you tap on Instagram, it will only give you access to share it to the specific person or someone else. We cannot share it as a post. So this means that it is not possible to share Facebook post on Instagram after posting. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today, and see you next time.